So let's talk about the common condom mistakes a lot of people usually make. So there's a video we talked about the correct way of using a condom. You can go and check it in my other videos. So today we're going to talk about the different mistakes a lot of people usually make and how to avoid those mistakes. So welcome to my channel. My name is Master Blagwere. For those who are new to my channel, in this channel we talk about different medical topics which helps you to make decisions and choices about your health. I provide knowledge and information about health and provide answers and solutions to different aspects of your health. So welcome, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to leave a don't forget to subscribe.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
So welcome again. So the first mistake a lot of people make while using condoms is by using expired condoms. Most people do not check the expiry dates of condoms. So when condoms expire, you find that they lose their elasticity and they lose their efficiency. So there's a reduction of the efficacy of protecting you against getting diseases and infections and also pregnancy. But if you are faced with the decision to either use an expired condom or not to use condoms at all, just choose to use the expired condoms than having sex without a condom. The second mistake a lot of people make is by using their teeth or sharp things to open the condom. So condoms are usually strong enough to protect against pathogens. They cannot allow pathogens to go through. They cannot allow diseases and viruses and bacteria to pass through. But when you open it using the teeth, you might tear the condom, or you might make the condom to be easily torn because of the weaknesses, which results by the using of teeth or of using teeth while opening the condom. And the third mistake a lot of people make is by wearing the condom the wrong way. Is by wearing the condom the wrong way. We have a lot of people. We have a video whereby we talked about the correct procedure of wearing a condom, but there are some people who make mistakes of using condoms are wearing it the incorrect way. The first wrong way is by wearing the condom too tightly. They do not leave any space at the tip of the penis. They do not leave any space which allows the semen that comes of the penis during ejaculation to go to that space. Some people also leave a lot of space at the tip of the penis. So when you leave a lot of space, there's an increase in the chances of the condom bursting during sex. We have some people also, while unrolling the condom, in the procedure of wearing the condom, they unroll it inside out. So you find that the condom fits too tightly and you'll have difficulty while wearing the condom. We also have some people who unroll it before putting it on. They unroll the condom completely, then they start wearing it. So this proves also to be difficult in wearing the condom. We have also some who partially unroll it before putting it on. So all those are the incorrect ways of wearing a condom. If you want to know the correct way of wearing a condom, just look in my other videos. There's a procedure whereby I've talked about the step-by-step guidelines on how to use a condom. The number 4 mistake people make while using condoms is by using oil-based lubrication, oil-based lubricants. So using, let's say, Vaseline, body lotions, petroleum jelly, and oil-based lubricants usually weaken the condoms. They usually create some small microscopic holes which can allow some bacteria, some viruses, and diseases and pathogens causing diseases to pass through condoms. So while using the condoms, consider using the water-based lubricants. Another mistake, the number 5 mistake a lot of people make is by wearing, sorry, is by wearing multiple condoms. We have some people who use 2 condoms at a go at the same time. So using 2 condoms at the same time increases the chances of the condom bursting or tearing. This is because of the friction in between the condoms. We have some people who, because of they are paranoid or they have anxiety, they are fearful. They fear that they might contract diseases which they do not want to contact, so they choose to wear two condoms. Choosing to wear more than one condom only makes you to be more susceptible to getting the infections, because there's an increasing chances of the condoms bursting because of the frictions. So increasing the number of condoms does not increase your protection against getting diseases. The other mistake a lot of people make is by wearing the incorrect sizes of condoms. So instead of you going and choosing the right size for you to use, the right size of the condom for you to use, you either use large condoms or you also use thinner condoms. When you use thinner condoms, you will have problems with erections. Because of the tightness of the condoms, you might find that it might interfere with the erection because of the interfering with the entrance of blood to the penis. Also, when you use large size condoms, you might find that there's an increasing chances of the condom slipping off during sex. Also, while using the larger condoms, it might reduce some sensitivity. It might reduce the sensitivity of you while you are having sex. You might have a reduction in the sensitivity, because the larger the condoms, also there is also an increase in the thicker the condoms. So you need to choose the correct sizes and the correct varieties. The other mistake a lot of people do is by early application of condoms. So these people tend to put on a condom before they have achieved a maximum erection. So before you going and putting on a condom, you need to know that you have achieved a firm erection. Putting a condom too early will interfere with your erection, and it will make you to lose an erection because of the moment you're going to put this condom early, the erection is I'm not going to explain erection. Erection is whereby you find that the penis becomes larger due to arousal. So are you putting on a condom before you have achieved an erection will become difficult to you, because you might end up losing that erection. The final mistake a lot of people make is by putting a condom too late. So you have had the foreplay with your partner, then you started having sex. So in the middle of sex, that is when you remember that you need to put on a condom. That is when you now come out and put on a condom. Then you go and continue having sex. Also, sometimes you might find that you have had sex. You have had sex and you have had an ejaculation. That is when you remember that you need to put on a condom. Now you go and put on a condom. So that might be too late. Yes, that might be too late, because you might contact diseases, and also uh, uh, you might contact diseases or HIV due to or pregnancy due to the late putting on of condoms. An additional or a bonus mistake a lot of people is by using one condom throughout the entire sexual escapade or sexual experience. You need to know that you need to use one condom per ejaculation. Yes, when you have an erection, you have sex and you experience an ejaculation, you need to put off the condom and wear another condom. So it will be a very big mistake when you are using the same condom. You have had sex, you have not removed the condom, you continue having sex, the second round, the third round, while you are using the same condom which you started with. You need to know that you need to change the condom, because the more you use the condom, the more it can burst or it can become torn. So with that said, I've come to the end of my video, whereby we have discussed about the different uh, mistakes a lot of people make while using condoms. So with that said, bye bye for now. Let's meet in my next video.